So, maybe you removed all of these packages I showed you in this video. These ones, you know, I showed you how that I removed them and told you that my phone's working and I do not intend to turn it off anymore. Uh, the thing is, after I did all this, I tried to open WhatsApp for the first time and it kept crashing. So did the messages, the Google Messages application kept crashing. This one returned an error, and the settings menu kept exiting upon I trying to open it. So what I did was I reinstalled the the permission controller package over here because it's in the list over here. This is the command. Okay, so this is the reason because I didn't open the applications like WhatsApp messages. I didn't open them before. That was the first time I opened, and they did not get to ask for the permissions to run smoothly. WhatsApp didn't get to ask for the permission to uh, um, access the files, images, and videos on the phone to make phone calls, to send messages. The messages application as well didn't get to ask for the permissions in order to run smoothly. So, being the first start, I had to re-enable this package and reinstall it using which one? This command, install existing, and the name of the package. Keep in mind, you might need the dot and the backward slash before ADB. In some cases, for me, it applies. Right, and then after reinstalling the package, I was able to open WhatsApp messages and the other apps successfully. They asked for permission, I granted them, and then I uninstalled the permission controller package again. I removed it again. So it's still there if I need it. I just cannot enter the settings menu because I just don't need to. If I try to, it's gonna crash, it's gonna exit automatically. So if I want to make any changes in the settings, like at the application level, I can enter the settings menu. Just certain features of it trying to be accessed are gonna cause an instant exit. So if I need to access those features, I'm just gonna use this command again over here to reinstall this package, you know, which I removed. Now I'm gonna make the settings and just remove the package, uninstall the package once again. So yeah, that's the fix. If you did the removal of all of these packages and some of your applications kept crashing when you tried to open them for the first time. After you grant the permissions, you can remove and uninstall the permission controller again, and they're gonna work smoothly because you already admitted their permission needs. Okay, that's it. Stay safe, stay blessed, stay vigilant. 还有月花。